Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. In this video, you will learn how to add a paragraph text field using Ninja Forms. This field accepts long user responses and also offers a rich text editor for the user. So let's get started. For this functionality, hover onto Ninja Forms and click on Add New. Select any layout from here as per your choice. You can find the paragraph text field under Common Fields. Click on it to add it to the form builder area. You can add more fields as per your requirement. Now, click on it to explore field options. Here you can edit the name of the field as displayed to your users. You can also make this field required by toggling the option here. Now, as you click on display, here you can edit the display settings of this field. You can enter the placeholder text as well. You can also enable the rich text editor. Once done, let's publish the form. Give your form a title here. Now click on Publish button. Now let me show you the preview of this form. You can see the paragraph field in action. So this is how you can add a paragraph text field using Ninja Forms. I hope you liked this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.